Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about logarithms and its introduction. Primarily in logarithm, we'll be studying about the different laws of logarithm or different properties of logarithms. If A, B, C, N are real numbers, then number one, logarithm of A plus logarithm of B, both with a common base C, is given by log AB to the base C. Then this is basically, you can call it as multiplication rule also. Other one is log A to the base C minus log B to the base C is log of A by B to the base C. Then logarithm of A to the base C, A to the power of n, we'll say, is given by n times logarithm of A to the base C. Then logarithm of A to its same base, that is logarithm of A to the base A, is given as 1. Then we have logarithm of A to the base B can be written as 1 divided by logarithm of B to the base A. This is called as change of base rule. This is product rule, this is division rule, or quotient rule, you can say. This is power rule. This is same base. This is change in base. This also can be written as log of A to the base B multiplied by, just I'm doing a cross multiplication. Log of B to the base A is given by 1. Or we can also say log of A to the base B multiplied by log of B to the base C. This, if this base and this are the same, then you can write this as log A to the base C. So these are the different laws or rules or properties of logarithms, right? So let us understand these things. These all will be useful when we solve some of the problems related to logarithms. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.